Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Home Remedy Rescue, where we're dedicated to bringing you the most valuable and trustworthy home remedies and health tips every week. We appreciate your viewership, and we hope you find value and enjoyment in this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we'll be discussing the amazing health benefits of turmeric, a herb that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. We'll also be sharing a delicious recipe that incorporates turmeric along with other ingredients that are known for their health benefits. Make sure to watch until benefit number 10. It is a benefit that may completely surprise you. Before we delve into these amazing health benefits of turmeric, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a normal and necessary biological response that helps the body protect itself from injury and infection. However, chronic or excessive inflammation can lead to various health issues and contribute to the development of several health problems. Reduced inflammation is one of the most powerful aspects of turmeric's health benefits. It plays a central role in most of the powerful health benefits of turmeric. Here's why. Improved immune function. Chronic inflammation can impair the immune system's ability to function properly, making it more difficult for the body to fight off infections and heal wounds. By reducing inflammation, curcumin may help maintain a balanced immune response, allowing the body to defend itself more effectively against harmful pathogens. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Prolonged inflammation has been linked to the development of numerous chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. By decreasing inflammation, curcumin may help lower the risk of these conditions and support overall long-term health. Alleviation of pain and discomfort. Inflammation is often associated with pain and discomfort, particularly in conditions such as arthritis and other joint disorders. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate pain by reducing the inflammation that contributes to these symptoms. Improved mental health. There is growing evidence to suggest that inflammation may play a role in the development of mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety. By reducing inflammation, curcumin may help to promote better mental health and well-being. Enhanced gut health. Chronic inflammation can disrupt the balance of bacteria in the gut and contribute to digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects may help to restore gut balance and support overall digestive health. In short, the curcumin compound in turmeric can help reduce inflammation in the body. This is good for health because it helps the immune system work well, lowers the risk of chronic diseases, eases pain and discomfort, improves mental health, and improves gut health. Incorporating turmeric or curcumin supplements into your diet, as advised by a healthcare professional, may contribute to better overall health and well-being. Benefit number 2. Boosts immunity. As previously mentioned, turmeric has immune-boosting properties that can help protect the body from infections and illnesses. Benefit number 3. Reduces oxidative stress. Turmeric contains antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases. Benefit number 4, helps with digestion. Turmeric can help stimulate the production of bile, which helps digestion and keeps digestive problems from happening. For centuries, turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic medicine to improve digestion. Since turmeric makes you make more bile, it helps your digestion by breaking down fats and making digestion easier. Benefit number 5, may help prevent cancer. Some studies have shown that curcumin in turmeric may have anti-cancer properties and can help prevent the growth of cancer cells. Benefit number 6, supports heart health. Turmeric can help improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, can help lower cholesterol and lower the risk of heart disease. Curcumin possesses multiple properties that can positively affect heart health and cholesterol levels. Anti-inflammatory effects. As previously mentioned, curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body, including the blood vessels. Chronic inflammation can contribute to the development of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which increases the risk of heart disease. By reducing inflammation, curcumin may help prevent the development and progress of atherosclerosis. Antioxidant properties. Since curcumin is a potent antioxidant that can neutralize free radicals, it has the ability to help protect blood vessels by reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress contributes to the oxidation of low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol, which can lead to plaque formation in the arteries. By preventing LDL oxidation, curcumin may help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Improved lipid profile. Studies have shown that curcumin can positively impact cholesterol levels by reducing total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while increasing high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, also known as the good cholesterol. An improved lipid profile can lower the risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. Enhanced endothelial function. The endothelium is the inner lining of blood vessels and plays a crucial role in maintaining vascular health. Curcumin has been shown to improve endothelial function, which can help regulate blood pressure, prevent blood clot formation, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Modulation of blood clotting. Curcumin can also help regulate blood clotting by inhibiting platelet aggregation. Excessive blood clotting can lead to the formation of blood clots in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. By modulating blood clotting, curcumin may help to prevent these serious cardiovascular events. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, lipid-improving, endothelial-enhancing, and blood-clotting modulating effects can all help to keep the heart healthy. Incorporating turmeric into your diet or taking curcumin supplements, as advised by a healthcare professional, may support cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Benefit number 7, may improve brain function. Turmeric can help improve brain function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease by increasing levels of the brain hormone BDNF. This helps to promote the growth of new neurons and improve cognitive function. Additionally, turmeric has been found to have antidepressant properties. Curcumin has been shown to increase levels of dopamine and serotonin in the brain, which can help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Benefit number 8, supports joint health. Turmeric can help reduce joint pain and stiffness and improve joint function. Benefit number 9, may improve skin health. Since turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it can help improve skin health. Turmeric can also help reduce acne, improve skin elasticity, which helps reduce wrinkles and signs of aging. Before we get to benefit number 10 of the amazing health benefits of turmeric, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Benefit number 10. Helps with weight management. Turmeric can help boost metabolism and aid in weight management. And, as part of a health-conscious diet and exercise program, help you keep your weight in check. Curcumin has different properties that may help it support a healthy metabolism and help people who are trying to lose weight. Enhanced fat oxidation. Curcumin has been shown to increase fat oxidation, which is the process by which the body breaks down and utilizes stored fat for energy. This increase in fat oxidation can help the body burn more calories and support weight loss efforts. Improved insulin sensitivity. Curcumin may help enhance insulin sensitivity, ensuring that the hormone insulin functions effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity can help prevent spikes in blood sugar that can lead to increased fat storage and weight gain. Modulation of adipokines. Adipokines are hormones produced by fat cells that can influence appetite, metabolism, and inflammation. Curcumin has been shown to modulate the production of adipokines, promoting a healthier balance of these hormones and supporting weight management. Appetite regulation. Some studies suggest that curcumin may help to regulate appetite by influencing the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play a role in regulating mood and hunger. This effect may help to control cravings and support healthier eating habits. In summary, turmeric can help boost metabolism and aid in weight management due to its active compound, curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties, enhances fat oxidation, improves insulin sensitivity, modulates adipokine production, and regulates appetite. Adding turmeric to your diet or taking curcumin supplements, as suggested by a medical professional, may help you lose weight and improve your health as a whole. Ready to try a delicious way to incorporate turmeric into your diet today? Here's a recipe that combines turmeric with other ingredients that enhance its power and also have health benefits. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 cup almond milk. Instructions: in a small saucepan, heat the almond milk on medium heat. Add turmeric, black pepper, ginger, and cinnamon to the almond milk and whisk until well combined. Allow the mixture to simmer for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove the mixture from the heat and add the honey. Stir until the honey is dissolved. Pour the mixture into a mug and enjoy. As discussed earlier, turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, boosts immunity, reduces oxidative stress, and supports heart, joint, brain, and skin health. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that can enhance the absorption of curcumin in turmeric and increase its effectiveness. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, aids in digestion, and can help reduce muscle pain and soreness. Cinnamon can help improve blood sugar control and reduce inflammation in the body. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe sore throats and improve digestion. Almond milk is a dairy-free alternative that is low in calories and high in vitamin E, which is important for skin health. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get more videos on the best home remedies and health tips every week. So there you have it, 10 amazing health benefits of turmeric and a delicious recipe that incorporates it along with other ingredients that also have health benefits. Try this recipe and enjoy the many benefits that these ingredients have to offer. We hope this video provided valuable and insightful knowledge you can use. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching and take care.